As technology advances, digital microscopes have become indispensable tools for hobbyists, students, engineers, and coin collectors alike. They deliver sharp magnification, easy image capture, and convenient on-screen viewing. In this guide, we evaluate the best digital microscopes based on image resolution, magnification range, display quality, connectivity, and overall value.
List number 1. Andonstar AD249S-M 10.1-inch HDMI digital microscope 2000x for adults. The Andonstar AD249S-M stands out with its massive 10.1-inch IPS screen and up to 2000 magnification, making it ideal for professionals who demand high detail. The large display provides a comfortable and clear viewing experience without eye strain, and the HDMI output allows seamless connection to external monitors for presentations or collaborative work. Equipped with a 12-megapixel high-resolution camera, this microscope delivers vibrant and accurate colors, perfect for electronics repair, coin examination, and biological observation. The adjustable metal stand ensures stable focusing, while the built-in LED lighting system illuminates even the tiniest details. The dual HDMI USB output adds versatility for both live viewing and digital recording. You can also capture images and videos directly to a TF card, no PC required.
List number 2. Andonstar AD246S-M HDMI Digital Microscope 2000x for adults. The Andonstar AD246S-M offers similar performance to its sibling, the AD249S-M, but with a more compact 7-inch display, making it perfect for users seeking portability without sacrificing detail. It delivers up to 2000x magnification supported by a 12-megapixel image sensor that captures intricate details of tiny objects with stunning clarity. The microscope supports HDMI, USB, and microSD card outputs, making it suitable for both live inspections and documentation. It's widely used by PCB inspectors, jewelry evaluators, and educators for its crisp imaging and user-friendly interface. Lighting is handled by 8 adjustable LEDs that ensure optimal illumination under any conditions. The sturdy metal frame and base provide steady viewing and focusing, reducing vibration and blur.
List number 3. TOMLOV DM9 Max Digital Microscope 20-megapixel, 10.1-inch, 1500x HD. The TOMLOV DM9 Max is designed for enthusiasts who value ultra-high-resolution imaging. Featuring a 20-megapixel sensor and 1500x magnification, this model provides exceptional detail for electronics, coins, stamps, or biological samples. Its 10.1-inch IPS screen gives users a broad, vivid view of their subject. The DM9 Max includes a wireless remote, allowing easy control of zoom, brightness, and image capture without shaking the device. With dual HDMI/USB output, it's highly versatile for recording and sharing images. The metal frame and adjustable stand enhance durability and precision, while LED illumination with adjustable intensity ensures consistent lighting. The microscope supports TF card storage, making it ideal for standalone operation.
List number 4. The TOMLOV DM9 7-inch digital microscope 1080p 1200x coin microscope magnifier. Compact yet capable, the TOMLOV DM9 7-inch digital microscope offers impressive 1080p resolution and 1200x magnification, making it ideal for hobbyists and coin collectors. The 7-inch IPS screen provides bright, high-contrast visuals, while the adjustable LED ring ensures perfect illumination for every subject. Its solid metal base and stand minimize shaking, ensuring crisp focus during high magnification. The microscope also supports photo and video capture to a microSD card with no computer required. What sets it apart is its user-friendly design, simple menu navigation, intuitive controls, and reliable performance right out of the box. Whether examining soldered joints or antique coins, the DM9 delivers precision and convenience.
List number 5. Elikliv Microscope LCD Digital Coin Microscope 1000x Coin magnifier with 8 adjustable LED lights. The Elikliv LCD digital microscope offers excellent value with a 4.3-inch display and up to 1000x magnification, perfect for students, hobbyists, and coin collectors on a budget.
Despite its compact size, it produces crisp images and videos that can be saved directly to a micro SD card. The 8 adjustable LED lights ensure consistent brightness and detail visibility even under uneven lighting. Its solid base and metal stand help maintain stability during magnification. This model is particularly popular among coin enthusiasts and PCB repairers, offering strong optical performance in a portable design. The USB connection allows for real-time display on a computer, ideal for presentations or sharing results.